Okay guys, I got my badge, got my card holder on the back. See that? Pretty cool, huh? And a few years ago I found Vidcon while doing a search for YouTube conferences, and I was like, oh, it's probably really far away. Yes, it's in California. I guess I'll never go. So last year I did something that I wish I could do a lot more often, like a lot more often. I saw the videos from Vidcon last year and I was like, you know what, I'm going. That's it, I'm going. That's how I'm gonna get there, how I'm gonna pay for it, it doesn't matter. I'm going. And look, I'm here. Actually here at Vidcon. This is gonna be awesome. Oh wait, you know what? It already is awesome. And that's it, I'm in. I don't have a lot of time to shoot out here right now because time kind of got away from me and I have to be in a session right now.
History and relationship and the psychology and the evolution, the co-evolution of our pets. And yeah, it took probably about...
Control of your narrative. You can't control what people do with it once you put it out there, but you can at least tell the story you want to tell about yourself. It also builds trust with your audience. By regularly curating and creating content for your personal brand, your audience will start to know what to expect from you. And if they like what you see, they will keep coming back for more. And 3, it sets you up.
Ooh, that does not look good.
Beginning. I was like number 4.
6 years then?
6 years.
My name's Katie Morton. I'm a licensed therapist and I have an educational mental health YouTube channel, and I've been on Patreon for like 4 years.
Yeah, my name is Glenn Henry. I have a YouTube channel called Belief in Fatherhood where I tell authentic stories about being a dad, and I've been on Patreon for 3 years.
And you're a new dad, very new dad.
Yeah. Thank you, yeah. I just had my 4th week. My wife just had our 4th child 2 weeks ago. So
shout out to your wife.
Yeah, man, she's amazing. Yeah.
And it just worked so well on Kickstarter, where everyone who liked my music was like, we've been waiting for you to give us the chance to like help you make better stuff. And Patreon makes it so that instead of having like one huge project, you can have an ongoing project, which was the format I already did. You know, like I made videos regularly. So from like the moment Patreon launched, I was like, yeah, I will try it out. And it's been like my main, most steady source of income. Like when anything else is going like haywire, Patreon is like steady.
Yeah, same kind of with the steadiness. I launched Patreon because I was burning out. When I first started creating my channel, it was, I'm sure like a lot of us, it's just like a hobby. I didn't even know I could make money. Like, this is a job, what? And so I was still like working full time. I had a private practice that was part-time. And then there was a point where I told my husband, I was like, I can't do this anymore. Like, I just can't keep doing this. And I was like, I just don't think, because also my content is mental health, so it's very sensitive, and therefore monetization isn't always available to me, and I struggle with that a lot. And so our AdSense is always like, I have no idea. And I had heard about Patreon, and some of my viewers were like, you should do this, how come you haven't started this? And I was like, no, I want the content to be free, that's the goal.
Out here is like a food truck area mostly. There's a stage down there as well. So I came over to Burger Monster. Looks like the best option for me. Not that I only eat burgers, I just didn't really care for the other options. Here's what I have in my shadow. And catch this. You can get ketchup for the fries, or you can get barbecue sauce. The barbecue sauce is extra. Ketchup is free. Like, what's up with that? So, time to try out the Monster. Oh, it's caramelized onions, bacon, cheddar cheese, and yeah, it's obviously a burger. Alright, so the fries are pretty comparable to McDonald's, but actually they're quite good. And the burger is really good. It's a good combination of toppings as well. So I guess if you're watching this, you either are here at Vidcon or you're not going to be, but that's a really good burger, really good fries, and I just got water. Cinnamon Toast Crunch has this crazy thing set up here. You can pick up a free container of Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I'm gonna pick one up and just have it for a snack some other time. You can have it with milk right now if you like, or if you're weird, without milk, which I guess, I don't know. And then there's this thing. We're done over there? Yeah. Not sure what this is, but here it is. Here's a truck that only does cupcakes. Barbecue place. Meetup.
Sorry, we're going to Joey get some free merch though. Right over there. Hold hands, we got to take it.
And there's also a festival stage over here. Here is the schedule for the stage. So these are kind of cool places to hang out out here. I believe the show closed for the day. And then there are these giant pillars of candy, which are free. Well, that's the conclusion of day 2 of VidCon. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop.